Have you ever heard people say that Fiverr is only for beginners, that it's impossible to make real money, or that only designers and tech experts can succeed? Today, we're busting those Fiverr myths and showing you the truth. What's real, what's not, and how you can actually succeed in 2025. First myth, Fiverr is only for beginners. While Fiverr is beginner friendly, it's not limited to newcomers. Many experienced freelancers, consultants, and agencies use Fiverr to reach clients quickly and grow their income. The platform works for anyone who can deliver value, regardless of experience level. Second myth, you can't make serious money on Fiverr. This isn't true. While starting out might mean smaller orders, consistent sellers with well-optimized gigs and good reviews can earn full-time incomes, sometimes even six figures. The key is finding a niche, offering high-quality services, and leveraging Fiverr's features like gig extras and custom offers. Third myth, Fiverr is only for designers or tech experts. Fiverr has thousands of categories beyond design and tech. Writers, voiceover artists, video editors, virtual assistants, digital marketers, and even tutors or consultants are making money on Fiverr every day. If you have a skill, there's a demand for it. Another myth, it's too competitive to get noticed. While competition exists, Fiverr rewards sellers who optimize their gigs, communicate quickly, and deliver quality work. Using analytics, strong titles, clear thumbnails, and quick response times can help you stand out, even in crowded categories. Finally, some people believe Fiverr doesn't pay well. Payment depends on the service, pricing strategy, and how you package your gigs. Many successful sellers earn more from extras and repeat clients than from their base gig prices. Strategic pricing, good communication, and high-quality delivery make Fiverr profitable. The truth is, Fiverr can be a powerful platform if you approach it strategically and ignore the myths that scare beginners away. Focus on your skills, optimize your gigs, and stay consistent, and you'll see results. If this video helped you see Fiverr more clearly, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more freelancing tips and Fiverr insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.